Hermiston Station is in Hermiston, Oregon, which is north central Oregon, just a few miles from the Columbia River. The station has been in Hermiston since 1909 and moved to the current location in 1931, so a little over 100 years. We're the second oldest experiment station that OSU has across the state. There's 5 things that make this region unique, and so unique that it's only a few of these unique situations in the world. And these 5 things are soil that's well drained, water from the Columbia River which has few impurities. We have a long growing season. We have great light intensity because we have few pollutants. But maybe the most important of those 5 is that we have hot days and cool nights. And if you're a plant physiologist, you understand that means that a plant can store more sugar because it uses less at night to stay alive. Yeah, there's lots of things that are grown in the Columbia Basin. So the irrigated section of the Columbia Basin starts just south of us here, about 10 miles. It goes about 100 miles north. It's 30 to 40 miles wide, and we call that the irrigated Columbia Basin region. And in that region, we grow at least 204 different crops. So it's a very diversified area. Probably, again, speaking to how unique this agricultural production area is in the world. So we are a farm. We have a 300-acre farm with 15 center pivot systems, irrigation systems, a couple of screen houses and 6 greenhouses, and all these things plus all the laboratories we have. It's all about doing 2 things. We grow things like growers do it, but we also provide new research-based information to help them be successful. But we have more than just dirt scientists, if you want to call them that. Those are like the entomologists, the pathologists, the breeder, the agronomists, horticulturists. We have several other people that are unique to an experiment station. One, we have a biochemist / microbiologist. We have 2 scientists that don't really work in agriculture, but they work on things that are very important. One is an invasive species expert. We have another person who's an aquatic entomologist. We also have a couple of 4-H people. One is a SNAP-Ed nutritionist, and she's been involved with the potato breeder and to develop potato dishes that are not only nutritious but taste good. It's because of the support we have from stakeholders, and because of the importance of this area, and because of us understanding how we interact with growers and provide that information. This station will continue to be such an important aspect of what the growers do that I see nothing but positive things, doing it even better in the future as we have the capability to do science in ways that we never dreamed of before.